Good morning to all. My name is Dhanlakshmi, Sri Balaji College of Nursing and Department of Community Health Nursing. So today to see the topic of budgeting in management of nursing service and administration. So today to see the topic in that budgeting, so define purpose of budgeting and enumerate the steps in budgeting. So what are the classification in detail in the budgeting. Finally, how they do with their budgeting in the hospital and their colleges. Introduction. Budget is the heart of the administrative management. It serves as a powerful tool of coordination and a negatively and effective device of eliminating duplication and the wastage. These are served by the devices such as justification of estimates, supervision of the use, appropriate fund, and the timing of the rate of the expenditure. Next, how they coming for this budget in this world. So the history, first they coined by the British king in the early days from the word Bogat. That important milestone of budget is 1215 AD constitutional explore mainly to see the budget. Again that 1718 AD consolidated fund act as a cost which consider the budget as financial statement of government activities for facilitating accountability of public fund. Again 1882 AD, the budget is entered the parliament for first time seeking their advice in the budget. Next to see the definition. Budget budget is an operational plan for definite period, usually the year, expressed in the financial terms and based on expected income and expenditure. According to Donovan, budget is a concrete, precise picture of the total operation of an enterprise in monetary terms. Again, they tailor budget is the financial plan of the government for the definite period. Next one, purpose. Purpose of budget. So budget is projected monthly spending pattern. So you also the plan for the budget mean to spend monthly how much there will. It enhances the physical planning and the decision making. So what is mean physical planning? So physical means money. So you also the plan for the budget mean easily with the plan for that money to send it for 1 month. Same for how their decision, next decision, what and all the plan for related their budget and all. So in that way, very useful for the budget. Then same time, recognize the controllable and uncontrollable cost areas. So mostly the budget will be there, very used for controllable for the amount. Same time, unwanted their money and all, you also the uncontrollable areas. So in that way, very useful for the controllable and uncontrollable cost areas. Then allow the feedback for utilization of capital money. Then identify the problem areas and the facilities effective the solution. Same time to control the cost and provide the useful format for communicating. Next one, steps in budgeting. So before itself, the plan for the budget, some of the steps will be followed in that. So first one to see the assess. The next only they plan. So in that academic one physical year, they plan for the budget. And then same time, what and all their planning, again their implementation will be. So finally, their evaluation in the financial year. So first to see the assess. Assess means to check the what is the need to covered in the budget. So one of all the budget you also they plan for the institution or any organization. First of all, what is the need in that plan for the budget? Again, that input for the all the level of the organizational hierarchy. Since the budgeting is the most effective when all the personnel using the resources are involved in the process. Next one, the composite the unit need in the terms of the labor, equipment and operating their expenses can be compiled to determine the organizational budget. So these and all that assessment before itself they do with the budgeting. So next step and all, develop a plan. So develop a plan means, so budget is that budgeting is a one of the cycle life. So this and all they set for the 12 month is broken down in the quarter or subdivided into the monthly or in semi-annual period. For example, you also the 6 month and all they plan mean in between that you divided or same time or quarter the fourth and all they divided or 3 month, 4 month in that way and all they plan. Sometimes they're asking 1 month and all how much. So totally also before itself they plan for 12 month. That particular that 1 month and all you also they given for the budgeting cycle. So selecting that time frame for budgeting is important. Sometimes errors are mostly likely in the budget is projected too far in advances. So any errors there occur, you also their change or in that time they projected their advance. Next one, implementation. Implementation. So this is an ongoing monitoring and analysis that occurring to avoid the inadequate or excessive debt fund at the end of the fiscal year. In most healthcare institutions, plan for monthly statement and outline for the each department area under the plan. So mostly healthcare institutions means like in the hospital, that first of all that 1 month what and all they need in that need related each one department how much money will be they spending. So related that one department related on supervisor that plan they given. So that is for the outline. Then after that most unit can be expect some changes from the anticipated budget. But large deviation must be there examined for possible their causes and a remedial action must be taken if they're necessary. So these are all that implementation they do with the budget. Next one, evaluation. Evaluation means that review. So the budget must be reviewed periodically and modified as needed throughout the fiscal year. In each successive the year of the budgeting, the managers can accurately predict the units budgetary requirements. So this way to evaluate the plan. So the periodically there review with the fiscal year for to evaluate. So that only they're very effective for the budgeting. So managers, you also the plan for the budget mean in between you also there what and all the requirement related you also the plan. So that only the best and the successive for the budgeting. So next one, principles. Principles. Your plan for the budgeting means some of the principles will be there applicable. So first of all, that each one program means before itself that plan for the budgeting. For example, before 1 month and all they plan for the program related what and all that activities will be they needed. In that activities, how much money will be the spending related only they plan. So that is only the program activities planned in advance. The next one, focusing on the objectives and the policies of the organization. So each one institution having the different objectives is the policies and all that. So in that policies related only they plan for the budget. For example, in hospital mean different policies. In each one hospital having different policies and all that. Same for the government and all one policies is there. So according the policy related only to plan for the budget. The next one, provide the sound financial management by focusing on the requirement of the organization. So already you also they planned the budget, mean in that institution having you, some of that sound financial things. So that only the plan before the budget only they're focusing for the requirement. The next, the budget is prepared under the direction and supervision for the administrator or financial year. So mainly the financial officer only they plan for the budget. So how their financial officer their plan. So some of the guidance will be they needed or sometime that any in the institution some chairman some details and all that tell it. So related only they plan for the budget. So mainly the budget will be they prepared under their direction or any supervision for their only their plan. The next one, budget is prepared under the leadership of the administrator. So leadership of the administrator means mainly the leadership is important one of the thing for the budget. So you also they plan for the budget only under the administrator to control that. Next, importance. So why that much importance they given for budget? So budget is needed for planning for future course of action and to have a control overall their activities in the organization. So one organization having the different course is there. So in that each course related the different need and all that. So according the need related only they plan for the future. So for example, in the nursing institution means so many courses and all that. So each one courses having the different need is there, in the need related some activities and all that. So these all over their control mean the budget is important. The next one, budget facilities. So budget facilities mean the coordinating the operation of the various department and the section for realizing their organizational objectives. So budget facilities and all regarding the organizational objectives related only their plan. So these are all the some of the importance for the budget. Next one, classification of budget. Classification, so many classification is the budget and all. So in each one institution having the different budget and all that. For example, zero-based budget, capital budget, operating budget, financial budget, production budget, marketing budget, revenue and expenses budget, performance budget, open-ended budget, incremental. So mainly the salary related incremental budget is there. Each one program related the plan mean program budget and all that. So in that way, so many budget and all that. So first to see that one by one. First zero based budgeting. So this is the one of the method. That method and all that which you all with their expenses must be justified for each new period. So zero based budgeting means they start from zero base. So mostly in that time no budget and all their plan, but the zero base is there. So each one function related only in that organization their analysis. So the organization analysis means mainly for the needs and cost. So in that way only plan for the zero based budget. So budget are then built around what is needed for the upcoming the period and regarding whether the budget is higher or lower than the previous one. So this is for zero based budget. Next one, implemented. How they implemented in the zero based budgeting. So zero based budgeting system put on the burden of proof of the manager and demand that each manager will be to justify entire the budget is detailed or not to prove why he or she should spend the organization money in the manner proposed. So that way only they plan for the implementation in zero-based budget. So the decision package is there. So must be the decision package must be developed by the each manager. So manager only to change for the zero-based budget. So manager is the here the decision role. So every project or any activity which include that analysis of the cost, purpose, alternative course of action, measure the performance consequences. These are all the things they come. So mainly the benefits sometimes performing activity and all not to involving the zero-based budget. So in that way they are implemented for the zero-based budget. So zero-based budget is the main for the decision role for the manager. So the manager only that main role to implemented for the zero-based budgeting. So next one, capital budget. So what is mean capital budget? Capital budget means capital on payment. So already you also to pay some of the amount in by hand related only their expenditure will be there. So that is for capital budget. So capital payment is consist for the capital expenditure on in acquisition of assets like land, building, machinery, equipment, and also the investment share, all the things they come. The loan and advances will be they granted by the central government or state government and sometimes the union tertiary government. In that way, some companies and all they get it. So mostly the capital budget mean they plan for other parties. Other parties mean like in that other government only they given some of the amount related only they plan for the budget. So mostly the capital budget also is a corporate transaction in the public account. So that only the capital budget. So capital budget means mainly to consist for the capital expenditure. So that is for capital budget. Next one, production budget. Production budget means the aim at securing the economical manufacture of the products and maximizing the utilization of production facilities. So how much production in the institution. In that way, you also the manufacturing will be over. For mainly here, securing that economical manufacture products only there do. So in that, how much utilization of the production there in the budget and all that. So that is for the production budget. So production budget is that mainly for the maximize utilization of the production facilities. Next one, revenue and expenses budget. Revenue and expenses mean is expressed in the financial terms and takes the nature of the pro forma income statement for the future. So the revenue budget is consist for the revenue receipt of the government. So mainly the government mean they're used with revenue tax and some other sources and all that. So in that way, their expenditure to made from these revenues. So revenue budget is the consist for the receipt. So the government, what and all that purchase, they will with the revenue. So that is for the revenue budget. So in that way, revenue budget related there, how much expenditure to meet from the revenue. So these and all, both and all the revenue and the expenses for the income. Next one, performance budget. Performance budget means is a system of planning and budgeting and evaluating that emphasizes the relationship between the money budgeted and the result will be their expected. So mostly they focusing with the result. So you also they do with the sum of the performing to get it finally one result is there. So the result is focusing with the flexible or inclusive or sometimes the long term perspective. So you also that performance budget is the one of the system of planning in the budgeting. So in that way they're evaluating and all that same. So how much relationship between the money budget and the result will be expected. So that is for the performance budget. Next one, open-ended budget. Open-ended budget means in the financial plan in which each operating manager present a single cost estimated for the optimal activity level for each program in the unit. So without indicating how the budget should be brought down in appropriate funding is not available. So open-ended budget means one way that operating manager is the present only they do. So in that open-ended budget and all, each one program for that particular one unit they're conducting mean they're used. So in that way they plan for the open-ended budget. But you also their open-ended budget mainly their drawdown mean the fund only they're not available. But you also the remaining things and all they get it. So that is for open-ended budget. Next one, incremental budget. Increment means there no very well. So mainly for the salary. So in that salary, one way part for the increment. For sometimes that incremental budget will be the prepared for the previous period of the budget or actual performance as a basis with the incremental amount added for the new budget period. So incremental budget means to prepare for previous year and all, but you also the performance will be their actual year. So that is for the incremental amount. But current actual performance means to basis of the incremental amount will be added. New budget period will be there included. So that is for the incremental budget. Next one, program budget. Program budget means the budget will be prepared specially for the project or the program. So this type of the budget include expenses and revenues related to one specific project. Example, maternal child health program. So each year that the maternal and child health program related, so much amount will be they spent with the government. So in that maternal child health program related one of the project, these project will be the more expenses and revenues do with that project. So that way only the programming, how much amount will be they spent, how much their activities will be there included, all the things they are coming with the program. So that is for the program budget. So program budget means before itself that program and all you plan with the budget. So mainly each one program having the different activities there. So in that program related only they do with the program budget. Next one, sales and rollover budget. Sales budget. So estimated the sales in the unit as well as the estimated earning from these sales. So how much sales they do with that particular that month. So related only the estimation do. So same time how much earning, then same time how much sales they do. So these and all they are calculated with the sales budget. Rollover budget means when the budget is category, total rollover in the next month only. So this means mainly they could started the month that will be negative. If you have that overspend or mean that quite could be. Or in start with the positive mean if you do understand. So this is for the rollover budget. So sales and the rollover and all mostly with the same only. The next one, mid-term appraisal. Mid-term appraisal means what? So mid means middle. So middle of the plan only to carry it for the budget. So already they planned the budget and all, but in the middle of the plan for the period, how to assessing the direction in which the plan is moving and to take the corrective action wherever to record is started with the much more than the review of how much money is going into the project. So that is for the mid-term appraisal. So mid-term, overall that 1 year, middle of the year only they selected do with the plan. So that is for mid-term appraisal. Next one, what is the advantage in the budgeting? So advantage is mostly the budgeting is very much important. So many advantages and all that. So budget will be to help the plan for detailed program activities and financial matters can be handled in orderly fashion. So budget act as the controlling the devices to correct and any excessive expenditure of the given their activity at any point of the time. So weaknesses in their organization can be revealed where there is the no facilities will be there available. So budget will be to help the management to learn from past experience. In the management can isolate their errors and analyzes their causes and establish the steps to be taken to avoid the repetition to such errors. So these are all the advantage of the budget. So advantage is that very much important in the budget and so many advantages is seen. Next one, limitation. So you also they do with the budgeting mean some of the limitation is there. So it is a very time consuming process. You also to take that not for suddenly they prepare for the budget. You also to the decision make with that all the organization in charges and all they do. So this is a time consuming process. So over the budgeting is a big danger, may be rendered to budget become the meaningless and the expensive. So skill and experience will be the essential for successive their budgetary control. Skill and experience mean so already they planned the budget means some of that their experienced person only to prepare for their budget is very successive manner. So that only their skill experience will be essential for the successful budgetary control. The next one, restrict their activities. So sometimes no need for the plan their budget mean these and all sometimes the no need mean to avoid for them. So some of the activities will be to restrict that in the budget. So this is a limitation. Next one, cost benefit analysis. Cost benefit analysis is one of the procedure. So this procedure, all the cost will be to incur in installing and rating the system to assess and converted to the money. So same time the ratio they calculated. So ratio calculated mean mainly the relationship of the cost and the benefit. So these ratio, that is for the cost benefit ratio is there. So these mainly when you also they're applicable for the cost benefit analysis mean the dam construction and all they do in the mostly for the government project and all in that way cost benefit analysis only they do. Same time the training for the healthcare system. So training for the healthcare system means so normally their workers included their more their training they do with the period. In that time they are used for the cost benefit analysis. Next one. What and all the techniques they used for the cost benefit analysis. So first of all, you also the estimated they do. So how much cost they needed for one program related. So how many workers you also there involved in this program. So that way first you also that cost and all they find out. Second one, outcome you also they calculated. How mainly the outcome is how to estimated. So according the terms related, the outcome won't be estimated. So the cost of action that give the highest monetary returns for the lowest investment is regarded as the best one. So mainly for the direct cost only they do. So direct cost means like the drugs, hospitalization and investigation. So these only they at present they need more cost is there. So drugs means so much of drugs and all they're coming. Sometimes the drugs will be they taken for 1 month or 6 months or 1 year or continuously the patient will be they taken. So that only the drugs of cost will be there more. At same time, hospitalization cost and all there different ward related that hospital cost is there. Same time, some specialty hospital mean that need more amount will be they spend. Same for investigation. So many procedures do with the hospital side. So that way the cost benefit analysis and all they find. These and all the cost will be the direct cost. Not for compared with the indirect cost. Indirect cost means that saving of the loss of the wages. So that is for the indirect cost. Next one, audit. Audit means what? Audit is that one of the examination. So whether the budget process is operating effectively or it is and the evaluation of the budgetary effort. So the audit is mainly for whether the process will be operating effectively or not. So that only the budget audit. So the budget audit is examining the techniques, procedures, motivation and budget effectiveness. So mainly the budget audit detect the problem also. So mainly what and all the problems during the budget period. So that and all in the audit time only analysis. So when you also they do with the audit. So normally they conducted for 1 year or sometimes 2 to 3 years only they conducted for the audit. So budget audit mean normally they conducted for the 2 to 3 years once only they take. So that is for budget audit. So what they do with the budgeting during that nurses. So nurses normally how they do with the budget. So first of all their budgeting they need mean the adequate resources will be there available. So adequate resources available mean to providing for the nursing services. So nursing and all so many persons only they are working only also they do with the budget. At same time monitor and evaluate for the all the aspect of the budget control. So each one on unit related that one on budget and all they do. So according that one on budget and all according same time the monitor and the evaluation they do. So mostly in unit related on supervisor only these and all they do with that of the evaluate the aspect. So next one nurse managers what they do. Nurse managers in all the levels must become a very proficient they do with the budgeting. So good nurse manager means the best position to predict the trend, current trend in the census and actively the supplies and the equipment will be then needed. So that only the nurses will be they do with the budgeting. So normally they do with the budgeting will be nurse administrator. So nurse administrator, what is the responsibility they do with the budgeting? So first of all, the participation is important. So you also they plan with the budgeting mean first they needed with the participation. The next one to take the assistance is or her sometimes the subordinate and all they're included. Then same time submit the budget request. So request and all they're important. That request and all the sufficient fund will be they need. finally to cover for the routine budget their control. See, these are all the nurse administrator they do with the budgeting. So next one, how we also they plan for the budget. So mostly in the nursing institutions and all they plan with the budget. How they plan? First of all, that in nursing institution like there's college and the school of nursing, how they plan for the budget. So the college and school having that separate budget to not to compare with the hospital, they're different. For mostly their budget will be they prepare in charges for the principal. Or nursing colleges mean before the principal only they plan for to drawing the budget. So how they plan the budget? So as per the government rules and regulation only, necessary what and all the things into for their educational institution only they prepare for the budget. So annually they plan for the budget mean the nursing director. So mostly in the at present colleges having the director is there or the principal or is there or sometimes the general manager is there. So these person only they approve for the budget. So managing director only take approval for finally that budget their plan. So this is the nursing institution to follow with the budget. Next one. So what and all that recurring their annual mandatory expenditure in the institution. So mostly their affiliation fees. So per courses related, so many courses and all there. In each one courses having their different fees and all there. So that is for affiliation fees. Then inspection fees is there. So each in that year having that 25,000 is there. So this is the inspection fees. So inspection and all the different inspection is this. So state councils first is also the recognition they given. So that only there every year the council and all some fees and all that. So it's mostly the 7,000 per year for the recognition fees. Then INC recognition fees mean 50,000. So per courses having 50,000 you also they collected. So INC sometimes inspection fees is different. So that is for the 7,500. Then re-inspection sometimes they're conducting mean 7,000 and they're calculating. So their inspection and the recognition fees will be they're different for in the institution. So mostly that according the course related these are all the different. Next one, recurring monthly expenditure. So how much monthly their expenditure they need. So mainly for the salary, stationery item, then housekeeping indent or normal rent, then guest relation, then maintenance repair and electricity. So these way they are planned for the monthly expenditure. Next one, program fees. So in each one program having different fees you also they allotted. For example, in the nursing institution having the different courses is there. For mostly ANM or GNM courses is there, BSc courses and all, MSc master degree or post BSc nursing or MPhil or PhD. In that way, different courses having different fees they allotted. For example, first time inspection fees mean that GNM courses 50,000 is there. Annual affiliation fees mean like 10,000 only they are collected. Then re-inspection they do mean 15,000 they collected. So BSc nursing will be the different. So BSc nursing means that 1 lakh for the first inspection fees, annual affiliation fees and all 10,000, re-inspection fees mean 15,000 they are collected. So MSc nursing and all the same. So 1 lakh for the first inspection, then 10,000 for annual affiliation, then re-inspection and all 15,000. So these post BSc and PhD MPhil courses and all this way only they collected. So normally the GNM only the 50,000. So remaining all the courses and all. So first inspection will be that 1 lakh and the annual affiliation fees will be the 10,000 only they collected. Next one, balance sheet. So balance sheet means what? So balance sheet is the financial statement that summarize their organization, assets, their liabilities, and their shareholders, equity, specific point in the time. So these three balance sheet will be the segment given for the investigator as the idea as to what the organization own and owes as well as the amount that investigated by the shareholders. So this is for the balance sheet. So balance sheet normally they summarize with the organization. So these are the main three things in the balance sheet is there. So mainly they do with the investigator idea only. So next one, the meaning of the assets. So assets means that items. So that are mainly they owned with have to value. So that assets would include the case, investment, money that are owed to the person. So mainly the assets means the items. So items related with the cash or investment money and all that come. What is mean liabilities? So liabilities mean the company financial obligation that arise during the course of its business or operation. So mainly for the loan and also the account payable. So these and all they comes under to the liabilities only. The next one, shareholders equity. Shareholders equity means the difference between the total assets and the total liabilities. So that is for the shareholders equity. So these are all the main three things will be they noted for the in the balance sheet. So next one, format. So how we also the balance sheet format they do. So first of all that for already I will discuss with the loan taken. So loan taken is that one of the liabilities. So loan taken, for example, 40,000 you also they get it for the loan mean. Same for that amount 40,000 will be the bill will be receivable. So that is for that sets. So same for account payable will be there 30,000 mean. You also there inventory stock. You also the 50,000 is there. So already you also to the total amount will be the 90,000 mean. You also the minus will be the 70,000. So this is the remaining amount. How much did it mean? So 90,000 for example 90,000 minus 70,000. So remaining the 20,000 only they comes for the so balance sheet. So this is a balance sheet. So balance sheet and all they're very much important for that budget. So thank you for all. Thank you for your time.